So before we get into your weights workout today, I want to let you know about my 3-week challenge called Strong, starting May 1st. 3 weeks of workouts, all about finding your true strength. We're gonna do weights, we're gonna do Pilates, we're gonna do everything we can to help you feel empowered and strong. This is perfect for all fitness levels, beginners to advanced. And we're gonna be holding this in my unlimited program starting May 1st. Details below to join us. I am so excited for our full body workout with weights today. I have a set of 5-pound and 10-pound weights. I'll be using the 10 pounds for most things. I encourage you, if you've used weights before, to try 10 pounds. And if you're brand new to this, go for 5 pounds. I also encourage you, as you do this workout month to month, week to week, that you challenge yourself to increase weights as you go along. So as it starts to get easy, definitely go ahead and increase your weight so you can see those strength gains. So we're gonna start standing. Feel free to have a chair or a wall close if that makes you feel better for balance, if this is new to you. So I'd like you to have your feet underneath your hips. So I just want you to be nice and comfortable where you're standing. And we're gonna start with a bicep curl. So you're gonna bend your elbows and then straighten, okay? So if I'm standing to the side so you can see me, I'm right here. Now, couple options. We always have options, right? I will always give you options. You can be here, but also if you are starting to work into heavier weights, bring one foot back. It's nice to kind of almost have that tripod stance to give yourself a little more base of support. So this, like I said, is going to be full body. It's giving you an idea of all the muscle groups we can work with weights. Weights are one of the best things you can do for your body. As a physical therapist, I give exercises, weights to almost every client I see. It helps with strength, obviously, but it helps with posture, helps with injury prevention, it helps prevent osteoporosis, it actually helps with memory, it helps with brain function, it helps with so many different things. It also helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Okay, so depending on what your goal is, weights can help. One more. Bring them up, stay here. I'm gonna turn now so my palms are facing away from me or facing forward. I'm gonna bring arms overhead and back down. All right, so straight up, overhead. Same idea from the side, I'm right here. You can have your feet, again, hip distance apart, right under your hips. You can have one back if you would like. Exhale as your arms press up. So here, think about things like lifting luggage into an overhead bin, right? Trying to reach up to close that trunk on the SUV. If you're short like me and you have to really reach up, you're holding bags and you're trying to reach that button. Okay, weights are functional. We're trying to really prepare you for real life. Nice job. Bring the weights back down. We're gonna go into squats. I told you this is full body. We're gonna start to put some moves together. So I want your feet now shoulder distance apart and they're just slightly turned out, okay, just a little bit. Weights can either be at your sides or they can be held here at your shoulders. And we're gonna sit back and down for a squat and back up. Please, please do not be afraid of squats, okay? Squats also one of the most functional and important movements we do in our lifetime. Research is showing us we're not doing enough of them, okay? We're sitting all day, right? We're not making ourselves get down and up in the squat position. I know you might have a fear of squats if you think it's gonna hurt your knees, but just do a small one if you need to. Really work on your form so that you start to feel strength in a squat. This is how we get on and off the floor. This is how we climb up stairs. So again, we need this motion. Sit your tail down and back. Think about the weight more in your heels, okay? And really get your booty back, 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 like you're gonna sit back into a chair. All right, one more. Nice job. Take a rest. You'll already hear me breathing heavy, so I'm right there with you, okay? We're gonna combine all that into what we call a push press. Let me show you what it's gonna look like. All right, so we come down into a squat. I'm gonna break it up for you here. Come up, press your arms overhead, bicep, and down. Okay, so I'm down here, my arms are by my side. I stand up, bicep curl, arms press. Bring them in, back down. So don't worry too much about the coordination. If you are brand new to this, I'll show you where I want you. Just right here, squat down, press up. So if you're brand new, just right here. If this is a little more familiar or comfortable, then again, add the bicep curl, okay? So now, just because I'm such a functional type of person, I start to think of, bending down, lifting up something from the ground and coming up and pushing it overhead, right? Nice job. Arms come down, take a break, and you can walk it out. Very nice. We're gonna come down onto the mat, all right? So I'm gonna bring my weights close and lay all the way down. And you're gonna bring the weights onto your hips in the front. So I'm holding them with my hands. Feet are hip distance apart. When you're ready, exhale, press your hips up. Inhale, lower back down. So it's a bridge position, but it's not quite a typical articulating bridge that I'll teach through Pilates. This is a flat back, so keep your back flat. Press through your heels to lift your hips up. Good job. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. So we're gonna bring elbows down to the ground and your palms are facing each other. So my elbows are bent. I'm gonna exhale, arms come straight up. Inhale, back down. So it's like my elbows are just grazing past my ribs when they come back in. So this is something too, where you might wanna have one heavier set of weights and one lighter set. It's really common, like arms are a smaller muscle group than legs, so you might have been able to do heavier with the squats, and now your arms are getting tired. So maybe you do 3 or 4 reps heavy weights and then drop to the small weights. So you don't quit, right? We don't have to stop. We adjust. And that's how we get stronger. You don't suddenly one day wake up and are able to do 20 repetitions with the heavy weights. You wake up and you can do 19 with your normal weights and 1 with heavy. And then the next week, maybe you can do 15 normal weights, 5 heavy. That's how we gain strength. That's how we make gains. Nice job. Bring them back down. And they're gonna go right to your hips again, okay? Exhale, press up. Inhale, now lower down halfway and up again. Halfway, up again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips lower, back, down. Nice job. Arms to your sides. 1 more set. Yes, you're gonna feel your arms tomorrow. Nothing wrong with that. And if you aren't sure if you should go up or down in weight, my general rule is if you could do 30 or 40 repetitions without even thinking about it, the weight's too light, okay? If you can't do 4, it's probably too heavy. That's why it's nice to kind of switch it up. So do what you can maybe with heavy and then switch to light. Or maybe the light weights feel perfect for 12 repetitions, then you stay there until you can go up. But if you can sit here right now, last rep, and come down and rest. If you can sit here right now and think about your to-do list and what you're getting at the grocery store and you're not even thinking about your body, it's probably too easy. Set the weights down. Bring your hands behind your head. Keep your tail down. Inhale, exhale, little crunch, and back down. Because what's nice is adding in some abdominal work after or in the middle of some of the weight work. Keep your tail down. Four more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hug your knees in. So that workout can be done again for a second time through. It can be done a few times a week. 2 times a week is a great place to start if you're starting to add weights into your routine. And over an unlimited, you'll get the full length workout of this in addition to many other weight workouts that I have. All right, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I have new videos that come out. You can find more, including my exclusive unlimited community with full-length workouts, a workout calendar, recipes, and more over at jessicavalantpilates.com. Join our unlimited program. I would love to see you there.